Okay, this one's still coming to me, so this is a first take. In this desert, and my lips are chapped and my brow is sweating. I'm dusty, dirty, and I'm tired of walking in this desert. Oh Lord, send down the rain. You think you're gonna die in this desert, Let's look up into the sky. Do you see the clouds arise? And they're full of raindrops of heaven in this desert. Oh Lord, send down your rain on me. Oh Lord, send down your rain on me, on my soul. Lord, send down your rain upon my dry and thirsty soul. La 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 the way that flowed out of me. Wow. Fantastic. I like this one. Maybe I'll post this tonight or tomorrow. I'll wait till Sunday. That's the first day of the week. It'll be my first song of the week. And of course, if the critics get their own way, I'll probably be the last song. No, I made that up. I'm my own critic. He's not even a critic. Well, let's see. I don't really have much to say. You guys might be lucky. Old BobSpaRRoW, I don't think has a soapbox anywhere around here that he's standing on. So I'll just say peace and love, and just remember, my heart goes out to all my brothers and sisters who are in this category. And the category is BobSpaRRoW is a 1960s hippie Jesus freak kind of a guy. But I know who I'm dealing with. Jesus in the sky. I love you. God bless you.